YouTube? Welcome to the Metabolic Living channel. My name is Bella. I'm the lead nutritionist and recipe developer here at Metabolic Living. Today we are going to be making low-carb, chewy and absolutely delicious granola bars. They're grain-free, they're metabolic, and they are packed with nuts and seeds, which are great sources of healthy fats and also are packed full of vitamins. So let's go ahead and dive straight in. After all, you guys are going to be enjoying these very, very soon as they just take minutes to whip up. Guys, your very own batch of healthier granola bars. They're grain-free, they're sugar-free, they're metabolic, and they make for the perfect portable on-the-go snack. Please also make sure that you subscribe to the Metabolic Living YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. We do post content every single week and I would hate for you guys to miss out. Make sure you also pop on over to social media. We are on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. We would love for you to be a part of our community. Thanks so much for swinging by, guys. I will see you all in another video very, very soon. I hope you have an absolutely fabulous day.